Hello and welcome to the lecture on updating records. So let's go to MySqli and we create another folder. Say update records, copy from insert, put in updates, open this up. Okay, and also at the PDO we'll copy the query from here. Okay, we have the query. Take this query and we will place it here, right? And we'll say name, and here we'll say $name and ID. Okay, nothing else we have to change here. And what we're going to update, we're going to update the maybe the first row, and we call it back as John Smith. Okay, and you see name is changed to this name, ID is changed to this ID. Remember, I'm passing the single quotes here just to notate it as string, and rest of the code remains the same, right? So let's run this. Okay, success. If I refresh, it will change to John Smith. All right, there's nothing changes. I have done much in terms of how do I write, but how do I prepare my query, that's what I have changed it here. All right, so this is about how to update the records, and I'll see you in the next one.